If you are looking for a prong collar, this one will work for you. It comes nicely packaged. It comes in small, medium, and large, so you just want to measure your dog and make sure you get the right size. It has this great closure that is unique and different from the rest. It is not plastic buckle, but it has the metal right here, so it ensures that it is locked well and will not break easily. Here, it's also extra protection with the Velcro here, so you can make sure that it's on your dog. So here you can see it up close. Here you can see how nicely it fits on the dog's neck. The rubber caps on the spikes help it to be comfortable for the dog. For short walks, less than an hour is recommended. It also comes with extra caps in case some are lost. You are able to change out the links to add or to reduce the number of links in there, when the dog is growing. It is strong. The buckle material on the prong collar has a direct bearing on whether your dog can break out of the collar on its own and it doesn't listen to you. Unlike plastic models, the buckle on our quick release prong collar is made of heavy duty metal like that used for tactical belts. It is very durable to prevent accidental looses in case of emergency. Just use 2 fingers to release the metal buckle by pressing on its 2 sides. If you are looking for a prong collar that is able to secure your pet in walks, help him listen better, and to be strong and durable, this would be a good choice.